add new page, another plus sign. Let's just see if we can find a quick video. Okay, so that's a quick video, right? Now click on FX. Just look way below on the bottom. You see the color next to FX, then next to adjust. Click on FX. See the background remover. Click on that. Okay, remove the background like super fast. Okay, so X out of that. Now go to element and then type background. Right, so element your background. Okay, just click video there. Let's use this one. So I'm expanding it, like, you know, so it's bigger. Move this out. Click on this one. This is the one that I want, the one behind. So to detach it from, so you detach that from the background, and now we'll make this new one the background, and it fits on the screen. That's it, people. Click it and download it. Let's see if it works. I'm just gonna go current page and download. So yeah, it works. See, super beautiful. I love that. What do you guys think? Let me know.